This AI agent is amazing. I use it many times a day. Let me show you how it works. So here we're on a YouTube video that's 4 hours and 25 minutes long. There's a lot of important information here, but who's got the time to watch this even at 2 times speed? So I've got the MindStudio Chrome extension installed, and all I have to do is click this TLDR agent. And I can do this on any video. This one is 4 hours and 25 minutes long. It'll work on videos that are 10 hours long. And it goes through and it finds the transcript in this video, and it goes through it with a fine-tooth comb and extracts out all of the learnings from this video. And so this will take, 30 seconds to a minute, and then I can parse it and digest all of the amazing information that's available in this video, and then I can go on and consume many more videos that I would have never had the time to do. And now it's done. And so I have this giant document here that is the extraction of all learnings from this 4.5-hour video. I can make a copy of it. I can create an artifact out of it by sharing it. In fact, I'm going to do just that. And I'm going to link this in the description of this video so you can read this document and realize how powerful it is to be able to, instead of watching videos, to simply be able to click a button and get all of the learnings out of that video, and then be able to go on and watch all of these other amazing videos, again, simply by clicking a button. Now let me show you how easy it is to make one of these for yourself. If you click on My Workspace after logging into MindStudio, you will see these templates. This first template in productivity is TLDR. I'm just going to click here. And this is a tutorial of exactly what to do, but I'll just show you how easy it is. You can literally click this link to remix, make a copy of this agent, and then say, make a copy. And this agent, again, is really simple, very easy to build, but you don't have to build it. It's done. All you have to do is maybe change its name, and I'll call mine TLDR. I'll leave this icon as is, and then I'm simply going to click Publish. Now the agent is published. We can open it up. And as you can see, it says it's designed for the browser extension, for the Chrome extension. If you don't have the Chrome extension, you should click Add to Chrome. It'll take you to the Chrome store and let you install it. It's a free extension. Or since I have it installed, all I need to do is click here. And I'm going to click this Pin in Extension button, because it automatically then adds it to my Chrome extension. Then I can go to any video, find the extension, and simply click this button. And that's how easy it is to get your own TLDR superpowers. Links in the description.